So, good afternoon to all of you. We are here to discuss the subject known as contemporary issue. Now, this particular subject is very important and essential for media students as a contemporary issue. People feel like there is only EVS in this particular subject, but no, there are EVS thing, environmental thing, social thing, economical thing, and many other basic thing. You can say all general knowledge accumulated in one particular subject, along with their importance and significance, is known as contemporary issue. As the name suggests, contemporary means in the present situation that is going on, and that issues are at a very high level. So you have to know about those things. Either it is related with rights of human, or it is related with global warming, or related with trees and plantation and growth of forests, or related with any such thing which is very useful and suggestive for the human life and animal life. So contemporary issue is very important subject that you have to take care as such. The first module they talk about ecology and its related concern, climate change, global warming, deforestation, etc. This is a basic thing that you have learned from your childhood in school, deforestation and other things, different types of the pollutions to be there, and what are the effects of the pollution to be there, how we can make sure there should not be a pollution, we should take care of better atmosphere, not only for us, for the animal. Those things they have presented over here. One of the very important thing as hippo effect that come in that part related with ecology and its related change. Second module is all about human rights and worldwide what are the different changes, different rules, regulation that people are making. In fact, different UN, WTO, World Trade Organization, and different WHO, World Health Organization, what they are making rules and regulation for human being, for human of different area, those who are scattered in different countries. So in that only legislative measures in reference to India, we have to see like on the basis of women, constitution, rights, domestic violence, harassment act, criminal law, etc. For child, they have different acts. POCSO is very famous, as to be newly launched and presented, accepted by the government of India. That is there. Along with that, Justice, Care and Protection of the Children Act to be there. Sexual offense from with children. There is another particular act for the same. Education, Right to Education Act, important act that you have to learn. So two subjects are there. Like in legal, you have to learn few acts. So in CI also, you have to understand few acts which are available. On the basis of health, also national health policy and other policies that is made over here in India for making fruitful life of human being in India. That particular thing is presented in module number 2. It is all about the basic rights that every human should enjoy. Either it is related with education, health, harassment, safety, or anything else. Module number 3 is related with political concern and challenges. Now we can understand when politics come into the module. Crime and politics, corruption and effects, anti-state violence, nationalism, etc. Terrorism, and all these things related with the politics and their effects to the state, to the nation, to the people. Those things we have to understand and put forward as per the knowledge that we have. Module number 4 is all about economic development and changes. In that says special economic zone, MIDC, like we are in Maharashtra, we have to learn MIDC. Suppose you are in Gujarat, so GIDC you have to learn. Okay, we are a student over here, media student in Maharashtra and Mumbai. So MIDC is more important. Food Security Act, agrarian issues to be there, in-depthness and farmer issues, suicide cases, especially near Vidarbha and all. So you just go through with the data, what is the actual number and why it is more to be there in Maharashtra, in the rural part, the rural region, why there is a more and more cases of the suicide cases to be there. Module number 5 and the last module, it is social development and changes. Here one very important pointer, that is tribal issue. So tribals and their problems, their issues, and how we can solve that. The people, those who are in the city, many times they are not caring about and why we should care about tribal areas, etc. But they are also very important. So Forest Right, Land Acquisition Act, you have to learn. Uh, Police reforms, problem faced by police and need from reform, illegal immigration from Bangladesh, and development issues, rehabilitation, etc. is the part. So all 5 modules are divided into different parts if you see. One related with the purely environment, one is on the basis of the rights human being has to be, one is related with the economic forum, and another one different state-wise or political how views to be affect overall to the human being. So you have to learn from different angles, and it is a bad habit of a mass media student that I have seen. We are learning EVS when we are saying CI as a subject, contemporary issue. So it is not EVS, I'm telling you. I think around 15% you have to learn EVS. Other than that, there are many more things that you have to learn and you have to write in your examination. Then definitely you will get good marks, for sure. So all the best for your examination. Thank you very much.